Hello lovelies, welcome to the third episode of my air fryer review series. In this episode we'll be testing the grill program and we'll be doing this with some barbecue chicken. So I'm going to be sharing one of my barbecue chicken recipe with you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post subsequent videos. For our barbecue recipe, this is the chicken we'll be using and they are neatly washed as you can see. To wash this, I massaged it with some white vinegar and then added some water and rinsed it out. You can use salt or you can use lime, whatever you prefer, but I used the white vinegar. So I'll be setting this aside and transferring it to our board to ensure that we dry out all the water. So you do not need extra water in your barbecue, especially when you're marinating it. So you have to ensure that you've taken out all the liquids or the water, especially if your meat is frozen. I'm also using soft chicken for this recipe, yes, because it's easy to cook, it doesn't take time to cook, and at the end you're going to have a perfect soft barbecue chicken. Next we'll be seasoning our chicken, and the first ingredient that is going in is a light soy sauce. So just sprinkle it all around and I will massage gently. So the next ingredient that is going in is some paprika, red chili pepper and some cayenne pepper. I also add some black pepper, white pepper and some cinnamon. I'll be going in with my onion powder and some mixed spices. I also have here my chicken seasoning and my meat tenderizer. And to top it up, I'll be adding a little blended crayfish. And I'll be adding my favorite liquid bouillon seasoning. Yeah, I love this seasoning for my meat, my barbecue, anything I'm marinating, I like to use it. And I'll be adding some Italian herbs and some dry parsley. And I'll be adding some sesame oil. And I'll massage this together. We'll massage it to ensure that all the seasoning goes round. Oh God, I love the aroma that is coming out from this. We'll set this aside for a minute while we prep other things that we'll still be adding to it. Right now we're blending a mix of bell pepper, fresh paprika, onion and some garlic. We'll also add some barbecue sauce and some ketchup. Our salsa is ready. We'll just transfer this into our bowl of marinated chicken. We'll massage this. I'll be adding some salt. I'm using just half teaspoon of salt for this recipe. I just want it to be part of the seasoning. So I don't want it to overpower the rest of the seasoning, so we don't have a salty barbecue chicken. We're done marinating. Next is to cover it with some cling film. We'll put this in our refrigerator to marinate overnight. This is our marinated chicken. So we'll be taking off the cling film to see how it is. Alright, this is how our chicken is. We left it overnight and we will be grilling this using our air fryer. To grill our chicken barbecue, we'll first set our air fryer at grill and then we'll set our time. We'll leave it at 10 minutes. And the temperature, the grilling program has a fixed temperature which is 205 degrees. So we'll leave it at that and then we'll press start and wait for the air fryer to preheat. The air fryer is asking us to add food, so we're going to add our chicken. So we'll just lay it flat on our basket. We'll go ahead to grill this. Let's see how our chicken is cooked. I was expecting the air fryer to ask me to turn my food over, but it didn't. So I guess it doesn't do that when you're grilling. And before I put it back, I want to coat it with some honey, just a little, and some sesame oil. We are done with that. We'll put it back in our air fryer and we'll go ahead to grill again. We'll still keep it at 10 minutes and hopefully that will do. It's the end of the second phase of our grilling. Let's see how it looks. Wow, ooh, this is amazing. It looks smoky. I like the smoky result of the chicken. It looks amazing and it smells amazing. I can't wait to devour this. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you like this recipe. Please try it out and let me know in the comment section if you loved it. Like, subscribe and share to people you know would like this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you.